We're here at the starting point, rapid number 1 here at Victoria Falls. There's already a group in there right now. And up there is the bungee jump, which I'm going to do tomorrow. So hopefully you'll see a video of that, but it looks like the first rafters are going down. This will be the first one trying to do 1 through 10. There's Timbo, our fearless leader, and the rest of the motley crew.
Woo! First commercial raft of the season, 1 through 10. Major wipeouts.
Are they first, or?
We're going to overtake them halfway.
Yeah, they're little newbies.
They're green guys.
Alright, hopefully we'll see more footage today.